I Nirmal here from SKM Public School. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 5 of your book NCERT Maths. I have taken today exercise 5.1, chapter number 5, lines and angles. Okay. Here problems are based on complementary angles, supplementary angles. Okay. So in my previous video, I have also taught you about workbook question about workbook, complementary and supplementary angles based problems, and about ray, line segment. So our topic same today. Topic is complementary and supplementary angles. Okay. Complementary and supplementary angles. So exercise 5.1, question number 1 is find the complement of, you are given here picture in place of direct angle, you are given here picture, find the complement of 20 degree. Okay. So as we know, sum of complementary angles that is always equal to 90 degree. So complement of this given angle, that is 20 degree, it will be is equal to 90 degree minus 20 degree, because we know when the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, angles are said to be complementary angle. So complement of 20 degree, that will be is equal to 90 degree minus 20 degree is equal to 70 degree. Then 70 degree and given angle 20 degree, sum of both angles will be 90 degree, means both angles 20 degree and 70 degree are complementary angles. Then question number 2 and 3 based on same complementary angle, you will solve that, and please try to note down the language part which you have to write down, write the right answer. You have to write some here definition related to that complementary angles. Okay. Then question number 2 is there, find the supplement of, here this given angle that is 105 degree. This is 105 degree. So supplement of 105 degree, as I have taught you, when the sum of two angles is 180 degree, the angles are called supplementary angles. Here supplement of 105 degree, it will be is equal to, supplement of 105 degree will be is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree, and when you will subtract, you will get it is 75 degree. So here solution of this second question. First question, second and third parts you will do yourself and see the first part how it is done. For second question, solution is here. We know that sum of supplementary angles is always equal to 180 degree. Okay. This is equal to 180 degree. So in the next line, what will you write? What will you write? Supplement of 105 degree. Okay. Supplement of, this is, you are going to find supplement of 105 degree. This is 180 degree minus 105 degree, then that is equal to 75 degree. Okay. So supplement of 105 degree, that is equal to 75 degree. Please note down very carefully. Then there is question number 3. Identify which of the following are here complementary and which are supplementary. Students, you are given here pair of angles and you will find the sum of both of the angles. If sum of the both angles, suppose it is 90 degree, the angles, the pair of angles will be called supplementary. What will that if it is 90, it will be called complementary angles. Okay, not supplementary. When the sum of the two given angles is equal to 180 degree, the angles will be called supplementary angles. Okay, if the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, the angles will be complementary angles. Okay, when the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, the angles will be called here supplementary angles. Okay, so here pair of angle is 65 degree and 115 degree. Okay, so sum of the angles, first of all you will find sum of the angles. This is the solution, third question. I have taken part 1 and part 6. Okay, the rest summation, that sum you will do yourself. Okay, and find if sum of the two angle is equal to 90 degree, angles will be called complementary angles. If the sum of the both of the angles is equal to 180 degree, the angles will be called here supplementary angle if it is 180 degree. So here sum of the angles, first of all sum of the angles. That is 65 degree and 115 degree. Okay, so sum of the angles 65 degree plus 115 degree. So when you will add, it is equal to 180 degree. So if the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, so you will write hence both of the angles are supplementary. Hence 65 degree and 115 degree are supplementary angles. Are called supplementary angles. So sum of 65 degree and 115 degree are here. That is 180 degree. So hence 65 degree and 115 degree will be called what? Supplementary angles. Then 6 part is here, 80 degree and 10 degree. We will write sum of the angles. Sum of the angles is equal to 80 degree plus 10 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. Then hence 80 degree and 10 degree are called what? Complementary angles. Okay, complementary angles. You can complete other parts and try to learn the definition of complementary angles and supplementary angles. Okay, then there is question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Please open your book also, question number 4 of exercise 5.1 NCERT book. So first of all, we don't know what is the angle. So let the required angle be x. So according to the question, find the angle which is equal to its complement. So let required angle be x. Okay. Question number 4. Let x be let x be what? The required angle, x degree. You can write in degree. Let x degree be the required angle. So complement of x degree will be 90 degree minus x degree. According to the question, what is the question here? He find the angle which is equal to its complement. So according to the question, the angle which is equal to its complement, then according to the question, angle x degree which is equal to its complement. So you will solve it. X minus x degree will be transposed to the left hand side, and if it is subtract, it will be plus here. It is already here x degree, and this minus x degree is being transposed to the left hand side, so it will be plus. Okay, so x degree plus x degree, 2x degree, that is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 degree divided by 2. Then x will be is equal to what? 90 degree divided by 2. So x degree will be is equal to 45 degree. So means 45 is the angle which is equal to its complement. 45 degree and 45 degree. When you subtract 45 degree from 90 degree, it will be 45 degree.